Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today, inshallah, uh, we are going to review about the standard paper which has been released by CBSE for grade 10 students. Okay, so in order to first download your CBSE sample paper, follow the link which has been given in the WhatsApp group, or see, go to Google and just type cbse dot cbse.nic.in. So when you enter this, so you will find a six tiled website where you will find, sorry, you will go to a CBSE website, cbse.gov.in, and in that you will find 1 2 3 4 5 6 tiles. Okay, so the important one and which is useful one is academic website. Okay, you just go to academic website, and after that in this you have here sample question paper. You click sample question paper. You will have question papers of sample question papers of 2025, 26, 24, 25, and so on. You can find out. Okay, just click 25, 26. When you click 25, 26, you will get an option of 12th and 10th. So go click last 10. When you click class 10, it will open a new window where you have sample question papers or and marking scheme of each and every subject: science, maths, social, every subject, all the subjects which you are going through or you are going to write. Okay, from that you can take any subject, so whatever you want. So let me go to mathematics standard. So when I click mathematics standard, so you have seen SQP and also one Hindi name written over there. So it is for Hindi medium, and when you click SQP, it will open up your maths standard question paper. Okay, and see there you can see maths question paper over here, sample question paper given. And before going to sample question paper, I just want to discuss about one more thing, which is the most important thing, where you will see a MS. MS means the marking scheme. The marking scheme of the question paper. That means what? The solutions of the sample question paper. And it is not about solutions. It is about, for example, I'll click. Okay, for example, if you are going to solve the question, okay, other than section A I'm talking about. Suppose if you are solving section B question, so what are the steps needed? For example, see, in section A, if you give answer, it is enough. How to do it? It is given over here. And now some 2 mark questions, I'll come back to that. See, for example, in a 2 mark question, what is given? What was the question, my dear students? 21st question, let me read. Yeah, 21st question is the AP of so and so terms, 8, 10, 12 has 60 terms. Number of terms are 60 and the first, second term is given. Find the sum of last terms. Now for this question, just check in section B given over here in marking scheme that what are the required steps. So you have to write n is equal to 60, number of terms, a is equal to 8, that means the first term, and t is equal to common difference. If you write the given, you will get half mark. Understood? You will get half mark. I have told you, right? Given is very important. See, if you write given, you will get half mark. And after that, you have to write what is this term. 60th term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 126. You have to equate the 60th term as 100. You have to find, so you will get one more half mark. and after that, so you have to find the of the 10 terms, so you will get 1 mark. So you will come to know what are the important things and needed. So given formula and what is the concept, see the concept, and after that you have to write the conclusion. If you listen to my classes, I already told you that conclusion is very very important in every question. Now, let me discuss about now you would have understood the importance of marking scheme, right? So marking scheme, also you not only download the sample question paper, but instead you download your marking scheme also. It's very very important, because of the marking scheme you will come to know what are the steps that are important and what are the steps that are not. So actually I have already opened the sample question paper. So I am closing the windows so that my computer runs smoothly. Okay, and give me 1 second for this. Okay, now let me discuss how what is the paper. So after seeing the sample question paper, you would have heard, actually if you are going through so many things, if you are going to wait 1 minute, give me 1 second. Okay, fine. So you would have seen, for example, give me 1 second, my dear students, give me 1 second. So yes, you would have seen that in this one, in the maths standard question sample question paper, you would have heard that there is a change of pattern or something. There is no change of pattern. If you compare last year's question paper, sample question paper, and this year's sample question paper, we can clearly see there is no change in the pattern of the question paper. Understood? But one thing is there, that in this year's question paper they are giving more importance for competency based questions. So now let me see here, and let us discuss what are the general instructions given, because the general instructions whatever are there, they explain you the pattern of the question paper. See, in the first point it is written, this question paper consists of 38 questions. Already it was there. All questions are compulsory. Yes, that is also, all 38 questions are compulsory. Now the second one, the question paper is divided into 5 sections: A, B, C, D, E. The same last year also we had five sections, and in section A, question numbers 1 to 18 are multiple choice questions, MCQs, and 19 and 20th are assertion and reasoning. No change. Good. Section B, there are 21 to 25, that means 5 questions, each carrying 2 marks. Last year also the same. Section C, 26 to 31, carrying 3 marks each. That means there are how many questions, my dear? 6 questions which carries 3 marks. They are also same. Now section D, you have 4 questions, 4 long answer type questions, carrying 5 marks each. That means that is also, there is no change. In section E, there are 3 case study based questions carrying 4 marks each. That's also same. But it consists of 1, 2, 3, 3 questions, where third question is for 2 marks, and you will have a choice to select any one of the question in that third question. Okay, so there is no change in the question paper pattern for mathematics. There is change, little bit pattern change in science and social. In science and social you have a pattern change, not the questions and everything, only the pattern change. I'll explain you. So yeah, there is no change of pattern in mathematics question paper. Is it right? Now coming back to the questions, just give me 1 second. Yeah, coming back to the questions, Let me explain you, my dear students. Yes, there are in the MCQ questions. See, we have done all the chapters except some of them. Circles we have not done. Areas of circles we have not done, and later after that we have not done surface areas and volumes, statistics, and probability. Is it right? Only this five chapters are left out. So when I have seen the sample question paper, when I have gone through the sample question paper, my dear students, whatever I have said, it's right that if you practice textbook problems, and if you go through the concepts examples of NCERT questions, you can solve each and every question. There are no direct, some only three or four direct questions from examples, okay, and NCERT exercises also, but still, and there are questions which are not in the textbook, but still if you learn concepts, you can do all the problems. Understood? You can do all the problems, my dear students. So when I have seen this, uh, just give me 1 second, my dear students. Okay, when I have seen the question paper, when I have seen the question paper, I could see that if you are good in concepts, yes, you can do all the problems without any difficulty. But the concept should be very good. Okay, for that I stay on my word. Practice NCERT questions, exercise questions three times each, and also examples three times. It is very important. Without having the concept, if you jump to any question bank or any workbook, so you cannot do those problems. Understood? And now let me explain. Suppose, for example, you don't first, second, third explained, fourth problem, seventh problem of MCQs, and yeah, 8th, 4th, 7th, 8th, 11th, 13th, and 15, 17, 18. So total 8 questions out of 20 MCQs are not been taught till now. So 8 questions are not been taught. So as I have told you, for every mark you have nearly 2 minutes to solve. So that means, give me 1 second, my dear students, I'll come. Yes, my dear students. So I wanted to tell you one thing. Say out of 20, 12 MCQs we have already studied. Okay, 12 MCQs we have done. And after that, in section B, in section B, two questions. So 24th and 25th. So in section B, two questions, 24th and 25th have not been taught. So that means out of 5, you have 3 into 2 marks. Okay, 3 questions, each carrying 2 marks. And after that, in section C, let me explain one, two. So in section C, 2 questions have not been explained. That means out of 6, 2 questions are not explained. That means 4 questions have been taught. And now in section D, 2 questions. Out of 4 questions, 2 questions have not been taught. That means 2 into 5. After that in section E, all the three case study problems have been taught. A B C D E, and 3 into 4 it have been taught. So when I calculate 12 MCQs, that means 12 marks, 3 twos are 6 marks, 4 threes are 12, and from section D 2 questions 10 marks, and section E 3 questions, 3 case study questions, 3 fours are 12 marks. So if I calculate 12 plus 12, 24, 36, 46, 52 marks have been taught. That means we have completed all the questions. Okay, so I'll repeat it. What are the questions which have not been which have been taught? For example, in section okay, let me come from section A. What I'm trying to tell you is 4 7 okay, in section A you can write it down: 4 7 8 11 13 15, 17, and 18 have not been taught. That means they are from the other 5 chapters. And in section B, 24th and 25th have not been taught. And in section C, 26 and 30. 26 and 30 is from the chapters which have not been taught. And in section D, 34 and 35. 34 and 35 have not been taught, and the rest all the questions we have learned. So the students who are ready and who have practiced, open, download this sample question paper. Do not go through any marking schemes or any solutions, and we have 52 marks. So 52 marks, that means 52 into 2. So it is 104 minutes. 104 minutes. So you can take it as okay, I'll give you grace 16 minutes. So make it into 120 minutes. If you remove all these questions, try to solve the question paper by yourself. You will understand that all the questions have been explained, concepts have been explained. There is no difficulty. Yeah, there you will not find any difficulty, but except one or two questions. That too, the questions have been they are direct questions, the concept is direct, but they are asking us to catch from here. That means they are twisted the question with English words. They have done the magic with words. So in order to solve those questions, you have to be perfect in your concepts. No need to worry. Usually CBSE gives sample question papers in August or September. Okay, but it has given in July 31st, that means in July. So August, September, October, November, December, January, and Feb you have examinations. If we take out Feb, so we have 6 months. 6 months before the somebody was telling you that this will be the pattern of mathematics. You are going to attempt in Feb. So are these 6 months not enough, my dear students? Yes, it is enough. We can do it. Yes, practice all. My dear friends, I'll tell you how to do it. Practice all the textbook questions thrice, at least. But if you do it 5 times, you will understand the concept in a very good manner, and you can solve any question. And after that, exercises as well as examples also, and NCRT exercises, inshallah, NCRT exemplar questions. I will do it from tomorrow onwards, inshallah. Not tomorrow, from Saturday onwards, inshallah. I'll send you every week, from every chapter. Okay, and I'll help you out. So what I am telling you is very easy, my dear students. They have given sample question paper 6 months before. Believe me, we can do it. Got it, my dear students? We can do it, and I am there to help you. Come on, start learning. it's not late, it is not at all late. You have ample 6 months of time. And how to do it? Do textbook problems 5 times each, and uh, along with examples, and also along with NCRT exemplar problems, which I am going to give you. Okay, which I am going to give you, my dear students. So practice them, and after that, yes, since the questions are not directly from NCRT textbook, so in order to have familiarity with the questions, with the different type of questions that may not come from NCRT textbook directly, so you have to practice questions outside the textbook. Also, you have to go through the questions which are not in the textbook. For that, there are two things. One is, I am here to help you. I will find out questions for you from the question banks which I have. I have so many question banks, RD Sharma, and I have VK and Exam Idea, and also Oswal. I have everything. Okay, I will find out questions for you and I'll give you. But if you want to do it by yourself, yes, you can go and purchase whatever question bank you like. Yes, I find RD Sharma very good to learn concepts, but it is overloaded. And whoever is interested to learn the concepts, yes, you can go through RD Sharma. And yeah, but it is overloaded. Okay, please try to understand, it is very much overloaded. You don't know how to segregate the problems or the concepts which are necessary for CBSE board examinations. But if you love to enjoy mathematics by doing the concepts, yes, RD Sharma is good. But after that, if you are focusing on exam, CBSE board examination, then I recommend Exam Idea and also OSWAL. These three are what I find is really good. You may have some other questions or some other question banks also. It is up to you. I'm not marketing any of them, and I'm not getting paid by any of these companies. Okay, it is for you. I am informing you. So please go through them. Okay, and whoever is interested, I have told you, and I will send you in the group which of the questions are not there. The rest of the questions are have been taught. So students who are interested, please go and try out within 2 hours. Okay, keep the stopwatch, do the problems, and find out where you are. See, this is the time where you are enjoying your climate in Kerala or any other part of your country, wherever you are, from India, Pakistan, or Bangladesh, anywhere you are, you may be enjoying it. I know. Now suddenly one day you keep a stopwatch and start doing the problems, you may have doubts. So what I suggest you is, without seeing the sample question paper, go through all the concepts and all the notes what we have learned all these 3 months: April, May, June, April, May, June, and yeah, April, May, June. Whatever we have studied, you just go through it. Understood? If and after that, after 2 days or 3 days, you keep a stopwatch and start doing the problems. You will understand. Till now, you have not done any question out of the textbook, right? And only some of the questions which I have explained in my PQEDs or home assignments. So, with this knowledge, try to with this, try to solve the problems, and I bet that you will be able to do most of the problems. Okay, and if you are daily practicing all these days, then you will do it within the time limit. And check the questions how they are, and if you know the concept, you can solve it. Okay, so my dear students, the question paper is easy to moderate Understood? Not it tough. By seeing the sample question paper, we can understand that the question paper will not be tough. It is easy to moderate, inshallah. Understood? Easy to moderate. All the three sets which we have, and after that, yes, some of the examples have been given. Yeah, 3 or 4 example problems have been given. I have seen them direct from the textbook, and after that most of the questions are concept based, but the only thing they are doing is they are doing heraperi with the words, and they are doing magic with the words, and they will uh, make you feel, if you read it for the first time you may feel that, yeah, what is this, but if you read it 2 times then you will understand if you are good in concept. For example, let me tell you one question. Here it is. The third question. See, if the lines given by 3x plus 2ky is equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 are not parallel, then k has to be. So third question in MCQ. Here, not par it is, the question is two equations are given and parallel is given. So you know what is the condition for parallel. What is the condition for parallel? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, right? So students in the first case they will be going for the direct answer, but if you study properly, if you read the question properly, it is given that lines are not parallel. Not parallel means they can be intersecting, and they can be even what, they can be non-intersecting parallel lines. Sorry, intersecting lines. Not parallel means, sorry, not parallel means either they can be coincident or they can be intersecting. Understood or not? So it is given not parallel. Usually we practiced that they are parallel. So therefore here you have to check the what is that called as, check with intersecting lines and also coincident lines. And there is a twist in this. While explaining, I'll explain this question. Okay, so it is given, some questions are not direct. Some of the questions, okay, they made magic with the words and they have twisted. Hera Perry has done. So overall the question paper is easy to moderate. You everybody can do it, and I believe you, my dear students, you can do it better. The only thing is practice. Practice all the questions in textbook, and practice all the examples, and after that practice all the examples, and practice all the NCRT questions which I give you. After that, you can also practice later after completing the textbook. Go to question bank uh, and solve the questions so that you will get familiar with the questions which are not in the NCRT textbook. Okay, my dear students. So that's it. Yeah, coming to what is that called as science and social, nothing, there is no change. The only change is previously you used to have section A, B, C, D, E, and all the questions from biology, chemistry, physics are intermingled in all the sections, right? MCQs and everything. But now they have made science into 3 sections. Okay, what are the section A, section B, section C? And section C, I remember physics. Section B, it is chemistry, and section A, it is biology. Yes, and in this MCQs, 1 mark, 2 marks, 4 marks, and 5 marks. Everything will be in one section. That means which are related to biology in the first section, and which are related to chemistry in second section, and which are related to physics in the third section. In the same way, they have done with social studies also. Social studies they have made into 4 sections, I believe. Yeah, section A, B, C, D, and they have divided each into geography, geography, history, and they have divided like this. Okay, this is the, there is a change in the pattern, but not the questions. The same questions are the same. the only segregated according to the parts. Okay, chemistry separate, physics separate, biology separate. In the same way, in geography, in social also, geography, history, and so on, separate. Nothing else. There is no change, but the questions are the questions will be the background will be of what's that called as give me 1 second. Yeah, competency based questions. So uh, students, my dear students, focus on concepts and practice more. Pen speed is very important. Until and unless you write the questions, you do the questions by yourself, it is not going to work out just by watching the videos. It may be mathematics, it may be science, it may be social. Just by watching videos it is not enough. You have to do it by yourself to improve your pen speed. If pen speed is not there, you may lose marks, because if you lose time you will lose marks. So that's it. Inshallah, from today, tomorrow, not Friday, from Saturday, I'll be giving you NCRT exemplar questions and also some of the important questions, whatever I feel. So that's it, my dear students, for today. uh, Signing off, Omar, from Maths with Umar, and we'll meet you inshallah as soon as possible. If you understand and if you understand, share, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day. Bye bye.